Meet Adam Madoukh, a visionary in scaled agile transformation, AI, and data solutions. With decades of experience, Adam has revolutionized how organizations operate, driving efficiency and innovation. Under Adam's leadership, agile transformation is a strategic shift that boosts productivity by 85% and reduces product delivery times by over 60%. His initiatives foster inclusivity and engagement, increasing employee engagement by 70%. Adam has facilitated over 400 workshops and coached over 200 executives, aligning teams with scaled agile practices. His efforts have led to a 90% increase in client satisfaction and a 76% improvement in project outcomes. Adam's technical expertise has driven significant improvements, to name a few. 70% increase in data processing speeds with AI data lake solutions. 80% boost in security compliance with dynamic keys and advanced management systems. 40% reduction in operational costs and 99.9% system uptime with cloud SaaS solutions. 65% productivity boost with integrated tools like Jira Align, Jira, and ServiceNow. 78% increase in team productivity and 53% reduction in project delivery times. Join the Agile Revolution with Adam Madoukh and transform your business into a powerhouse of innovation and efficiency. Embrace Agile with AI and data and watch your organization thrive.